Hello students, hello everyone. Once again, I am with you with a new video, real number part 3 on the topic decimal expressions of real numbers. Dear students, I hope you must have watched my last two videos on real numbers in which we learnt about real numbers. In this video, we are going to learn about decimal expressions of real numbers. Let us first learn about decimal numbers. Dear students, decimal numbers are of two types, terminating and non-terminating. Terminating decimal numbers are those decimal numbers which terminate, that is end after some decimal places. For example, 0.3, 0.45, 0.769, 12.8704. In these decimal numbers, you can see here, these decimal numbers terminate after some decimal places. Non-terminating decimal numbers, they do not terminate, that is, they do not end. They are also of two types, repeating, yeah, we can also call them recurring, and the second one is non-repeating, yeah, non-recurring. Repeating decimal numbers, for example, 0.333 and so on. In this decimal number, we can see here the digits do not end and the digits are frequently coming. They are coming again and again. Similarly, 0.4545, 0.123, these are non-terminating because they do not terminate, they do not end. But the digits in these decimal numbers, they keep on repeating, they keep on coming again and again. Non-terminating decimal number, it is also non-repeating, in which the digits do not end, but also the digits do not repeat themselves. For example, the value of pi, it is non-terminating, non-repeating because it does not end, and also the digits in the value of pi, they do not repeat themselves. Value of root 2, it is 1.414. In this decimal number also, we see here that the decimal number does not terminate, does not end, and also the digits do not repeat themselves. Similarly, in the value of root 3, we see the decimal number does not end, and also the digits, they do not terminate in a definite pattern. Therefore, these decimal numbers are non-terminating but non-recurring. Now, let us learn about decimal expressions of real numbers. For that, we take some examples of rational numbers. 11 by 4, 3 by 5, 7 by 10, 5 by 3, 19 by 6. We have taken these rational numbers for some specific purpose. When we find the decimal expression of 11 by 4, we see that the division completes, that is, the remainder becomes 0. Therefore, the decimal expression of this rational number 11 by 4, it is terminating decimal number. Similarly happens in the case of 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. But when we find the decimal expression of 5 by 3, we see that the division does not complete. The division never completes and the remainder does not become 0. We see that the remainder keeps on coming again and again. Therefore, we can say that this decimal expression of 5 by 3, it is non-terminating but repeating. Similarly, in the case of 19 by 6, we find that its decimal expression is also non-terminating but repeating. Now, look at the denominator of these rational numbers. The denominator here of 11 by 4 is 4 and the prime factorization of 4 we get 2 multiplied by 2. That is, we see that the prime factor of 4 is 2 only. Similarly, the denominator of 3 by 5 is 5 and its prime factor is only 5. And denominator of 7 by 10, it is 10 and its prime factors are both 2 and 5. So we see here that, we observe here that the rational number whose denominator has prime factor only 2 or only 5 or both 2 and 5 has decimal expression terminating. But the rational number whose denominator has prime factor other than 2 and 5. Here you can see in the rational number 5 by 3, its denominator 3 has prime factor 3, which is other than 2 and 5. In 19 by 6, its denominator 6 has prime factors 2 and 3, that is, it has prime factors 3, which is other than 2 and 5. Therefore, we can see here that the rational number whose denominator has prime factors other than 2 and 5 has decimal expression non-terminating and repeating. Now we can say that a rational number P by Q has terminating decimal expression if its denominator Q has prime factors only 2 or only 5 or both 2 and 5, or a rational number P by Q, it may have non-terminating repeating decimal expression if its denominator q has prime factors other than 2 and 5. Now we will see the decimal expression of irrational numbers. Dear students, as we know that pi, root 2, root 3, these are irrational numbers. The value of pi, it is 3.1425 and it keeps on going, and the digits in the value of pi, they do not repeat themselves. That is, we can say that the value of pi, the decimal expression of pi, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Similarly, value of root 4 is 1.414 and so on. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating. Value of root 3, it is 1.732. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating. Therefore, we can say that the decimal expressions of irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Dear students, now we can conclude that a real number has decimal expression terminating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. When the decimal expression of a real number is terminating, the real number is rational. When decimal expression is non-terminating, repeating, real number is also rational. But when decimal expression of a real number is non-terminating, non-repeating, real number is irrational. Thank you. Thank you for watching today's video. In the next video, we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Goodbye, bye bye. Take care of yourself.